This is the Lenovo Watch 9. It's an analog watch. I mean, really, this is the only face you have, with glow-in-the-dark hands and a second hand. However, it's also a complete smartwatch that interfaces with the Lenovo Watch app that can collect step data, sleep data, a plan with tasks, and the most fun part, this is where you set the watch. You bring up the app, you take a look at what you see here, you hit the hour, and you put in that it's after 3. You put in the minute, it's right at 45. And you put in the second hand stopped at 26. You check all that. Are you ready? Keep an eye on it and start. And it's automatically going to set the hands on the analog watch to the exact time of day that matches what's on your phone. From that moment on, it's in total sync. The Lenovo Watch 9. Check it out. $413.